Welcome to the Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. Today video is about one of the Gilgit Baltistan Asian dish. Dish name is Sthrop, which is look like rice, and this dish is only made one time in a year. And you see this, we collect from this. I will show you. See, these are the very soft, so we are collecting these things for today. You see, we collect multiple of it. There are more. We just showing you this. We collect it. After collecting this, we just burn in the fire. So you see in the video, we are burning. Now after we burn, we put into the hot water. It's a hot water. So little bit we cook in a hot water. Then we start next step. Guys, after we put from it the hot water, we just wrap it here. Guys, we get this after rubbing. After this, we will let dry in the sunlight, and after we will it clean with air. Guys, we just rub and get this. Now we put it on in the sunlight for dry. Now it's dry, and we separating the soft seed from the dirt. These are separating from this. Now this is our final product. After cleaning it, we just put in the water again to wash it. Let's see. Then we dry it sunlight again. Now it's drying. Grinding these seeds. We just hot oil and mix masala, chili powder and salt. Now we are mix little bit. Now we mix the mixture. Now we just start cooking. Try to fry for 20 minutes. Now we are mixing samik, dhania. We call it in Urdu dhania, and in Balti we call it samik. Mixing this and further for 10 minutes. Now it's ready, and
putting in the dish to serve.